Hello, this is Jeff with J&A Junction. Going to do another review here of a new item I got here. What it is a Cat 315C Excavator. It's a 1/60th scale, in scale size, called Construction Minis. It's made by Norscot. Okay, here it is out of the box. This beam does raise, does come out. Also the cab does swing. It's got a screw in the bottom of it here that holds this on, so I can just take it off whenever I need to use it, because I'm going to use it on my flat car for maintenance of way on my end scale. This is plastic and this is die cast. Okay, this is Jeff with J&A Junction. Please subscribe, comment. Thanks.